Guys, what's up? Here is John Pack, straight from Montreal, Canada, and I want to make a quick video for you today, show you how to track your stuff because before I give you traffic strategies, you need to know where your leads coming from and if you're at work and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna start right away, straight to the point. I'm gonna try to keep this video short for you because me, I like straight to the point videos and everything. I got a notepad to that I can give you and to not forget anything, to give you everything and not forget anything to give you. So here we go. The best place that I found to track clicks and leads and sales, it's hypertracker.com. If you want to make big money online, you need to track your marketing. Why track your clicks and most importantly leads? You need to know if your ad works, where your leads coming from, if it's coming from this ad or this other ad, or it's coming from newspaper, offline, or Bing, or video marketing, whatever. It's really important to track your stuff so you can know what is working and you can focus on that and tweak what is not working. Yeah, that's it. So you need to know if your ad works to optimize your performance. You can split test different capture page, different banners, all that good stuff. And sometimes the platform, if you advertise on a platform, they will track leads for you, but you have to put a pixel. I will show you everything. But sometimes the tracking on platform is not really accurate, and Hypertracker is very good. It's always working perfectly for me. So first thing first, you need to create an account on hypertracker.com. You go on hypertracker.com, you click on Pro version. Click on here. I'm already logged in, but I will log out. If you go to Hypertracker Pro version, it's $20 per month for the bronze. That's the one I have. It's $107 for silver for 6 months. You save something for the gold, but I suggest that you go with the $20 per month. It's a nice investment. You need to have it if you want to scale your marketing and know where your leads are coming from. So once you're logged into your new account, I'm going to show you how to track your lead with the BIM system. So Hypertracker, here I'm logging in. So when you're logged in, here's what you see. So if you want to track your leads, you just need to go place a tracking pixel in the BIM back office. The BIM back office is gonna put it after on the video one, after they opt in. When the video one is loading and the page is loading, you have a tracking pixel. So that way Hypertracker will track where your leads coming from. So how to track it? You change sales of product for action. Product name, you can say BIM leads. No need, you can put a description if you want. You can put the date. Product value, I personally like 0, but if you put like $1, I personally make $2 per lead upfront right now, and $1 per month per email per lead. But I don't like to see it because you will see money and all that good stuff. Just put a 0 here, leave it default, show HTML code. So the code we need to have is that one. So just right click, select all, copy, and then we go in the BIM back office. Business Center, autoresponder and tracking setup. then you need to paste it in the third one. It's that one. So you just go here and you copy and paste. I won't do it, but because I already have it, but it's in the third one, landing page conversion code, and you click save. That's it. So now you should be able to track leads with BIM if you create a new campaign. So let's see if I haven't forgot anything. Yeah, I told you the concept behind it is just to you need to place your tracking pixel on the thank you page after they opt in. So if you're promoting another business than Big ID, you need to talk to the owner and ask him to put that code on the page after they opt in. Or if it's your own product, same thing, you can do it yourself or ask your webmaster to do it. If you create your own funnel, same thing, you need to put this code on the thank you page after they opt in. But yeah, it's if you want to track sales, I'm sorry. Yeah, that's what I want to told you. You just need to put it for one campaign. Once you've done it, you can create as much campaign as you want, and it will always track your leads. No need to go place the script for each campaign you made on your BIM on the BIM back office just one time, like I did, and you're good to go for your lifetime with BIM to track lead with Hypertracker. So because with Tracker 123, you need to go place the code every time you create a campaign. If you want to track sales, right now we can track sales because the sales are not from BIM, it's from Empower. So we don't have access to the thank you page after they bought, but I asked support and they said this function should be available soon. So right now we're gonna create our first campaign with me. You see I've got lots of campaign, but go and click on campaigns right here, create campaign ID. You can say whatever, you can put the traffic source, you have it, the ID is gonna go in the link. So let's put something super short. You can say like test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the campaign name, I suggest that you put like where's the campaign? Is it Bing? Is it solo ad? Is it the banner? Is it the Craigslist? Is it offline? Whatever. So I will put video Hypertracker. In description, I like to put the date sometimes, so you don't get lost. That's it. Then I need to put here. You don't need to touch anything, just leave it like that. And to put a capture page, like for example insider secret, boom, I copy, paste it in here, boom, create new campaign. Here it is. That's my link that I want to put in the destination URL. So if you create a PPC campaign, they will ask for a destination. So instead of just putting this link, you will put the Hypertracker one. So you'll be able to double track the clicks and track leads on your site. So just want to check my note. Yeah, campaign, create, click. That's it. Yeah. So you need to. I like to test it, but it works usually perfectly. But because Hypertracker, you see right here, my browser your browser is now assigned to this campaign. So if you want to test it, you need to clear your cookies. So for Google Chrome, go on history, show for history, show for history. Browsing data, delete cookies and empty cache, so just from the beginning, so you clear. it's probably going to log me out from everything because I cleared my cookies. So whatever. So if yeah, that's it. I need to relog in. When you clear your cookies, you're logged out automatically. So now your browser is none. There's none. So now I'm good to go to test it. Because the thing is like this is you don't want to track clicks and leads from one user. So if someone clicks 20 times, for example, on your link, it will only count for one because there's a little cookie that goes in their browser. So we paste the Hypertracker here, boom, and we can put the fake emails in here, boom, and then we'll see if we track it. So that's the campaign I just created, boom, you see, that's the click, and that's the action, that's the lead. When Empower Network will give us access to track our sales, we will be able to see if we have a sale here, and you can see the revenue and everything, but all that matter is the click and the action. So you can see a lot of stats, but I'm gonna stick to my notes. Yeah, that's it. You put it in the destination URL. If you forward a domain, I suggest that you don't forward the domain just with your landing page. You put the Hypertracker, so every time someone will go to your domain, your custom domain that you bought with GoDaddy probably, and you'll be able to track clicks and leads. Lots of cool stats in here. You can click on stats. You can see by day, by product, target URL, sub-campaign, browser, source website, all lots of cool stats that you can have with Hypertracker. That's one of the reasons, because that's why I love Hypertracker, to track my stuff. Another thing I wanted to show you, when you create your campaign, if you want to split test, for example, your landing page, you just put an enter and you put another let's put accidental, for example, put another URL of your landing page, boom, just like that, save change, and now every time someone click, the first one gonna go to insider secret, the second one's gonna go to accidental, the third one's gonna go to insider, the fourth one. So now you'll be able to split test to see which one of these capture page works best with the traffic source that you use. So I think it's probably about it. Yeah, if you have questions, please ask Hypertracker, because I don't want to make the customer support, but if you have quick question, I don't mind. Again, it's very important to track your leads to see which one is converting better. Another thing I want to show you is your default here. It's all, you can delete that one. It's all automatically created. See, I have 473 leads, and I don't even know where they're coming from. So on your default, it's important to just go here, and you don't need to put all of those, but just need to put one. So if for some reason your Hypertracker link here is whatever, for some reason, just put one of your capture page URL in the default campaign. So if Hypertracker don't recognize, or you deleted the campaign and still get clicks, it will redirect it to your default. It's like a safety campaign. Hope you understand. So that's it. Now you know how to track your lead, clicks, and sales. Sales is the same things of leads. You just go on integration and you can make the sale of the product. But right now we can't do it with the BIM, but because it's Empower, like I said. But we will be able to do it soon. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you traffic strategies, what's working for me. Really excited.